it's Wednesday, September 20th, and we are headed to another show. We are going to AD Nationals. AD means Advanced Design. Those are those 3100 Chevrolet trucks that we work on all the time. Anyway, over in Franklin, Indiana, old Brian, I think it's Stanifer. I hope I got that right, Brian, sorry. But what a great guy. We'll just see Dave and everybody else that's related with them AD trucks. But this is the AD Nationals in Franklin, Indiana. And we're just excited about it, just like we always are. Let me turn your... Oh, by the way, yeah, it's 6:30 in the morning. Here at Diggs Rod Shop, early bird gets the worm. I'm telling you that right now. We start at 6 a.m. Anyway, I'm going to turn you around. There's the Diggs Rod Shop big rig. There's Cassidy. He's taking the wheel this morning. We got Justin with us this time. There we go. Oh, she looks so pretty. I'll tell you what, talk about a trailer that makes a statement going down the road. This is the one. Right there, diggsrodshop.com. Got a phenomenal website out there, you guys. Go to it, check it out. There we are. So we're taking you on the road. When we get there, I'll do a little video. I say it every time. I'm going to do a video of what it takes to set this thing up. Well, we got Justin with us this time, so it's going to help. Otherwise, it's me and Cassidy doing it. And let me tell you what, two guys, whew, and especially this old fat guy, it's kind of tough. But anyways, Craig, we're on the road. We're getting on the road. We're taking you with us. We'll see you in Franklin, Indiana.